and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. But first, let's take a look at the headlines. India to take a considered view on crypto, says FM Sitharaman. Indian exchanges urges government to lower crypto taxes. Flipkart plans to make NFT play soon. Robinhood fires 9% of its full-time employee. Meta Platforms' Metaverse division post $3 billion losses in Q1. Grayscale to expand crypto fund offerings into Europe. Stablecoins need to set a common standard, says US banking watchdog. Cryptocurrencies edge higher, tracking stocks. Bitcoin perks up above $39,000. Goldman Sachs evaluating tokenization of real assets. India will take a considered view on regulations of cryptocurrencies, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said, flagging concerns over likely misuse of crypto. The decision on crypto will not be rushed through, she said in an interaction at Stanford University. It will have to take its time, all of us, to be sure that at least with the given available information, we are taking the discerned decision. It can't be rushed through, she said. The minister clarified that the government is open to promote innovation and well-grounded progress made in the distributed ledger technologies which are coming in the blockchain. Cryptocurrencies can also be manipulated for money laundering or terror financing, the minister noted. Indian crypto exchange continued to urge the government to evaluate the potential of the underlying technology powering cryptocurrencies and review its move to slap heavy taxes, which is killing the industry as trading volumes plummet. Satvik Vishwanath, founder of local crypto exchange Unocoin, tweeted on Wednesday that for several Indians, trading in cryptocurrencies was merely a plan B, and the government should reconsider lowering the tax slab. For a lot of us, blockchain or Bitcoin is plan B, be it in tech, investment or employment. The industry is giving opportunities in India like developed countries give. Government should not curtail this through unfair taxes, Vishwanath said in a tweet. Trading volume across Indian crypto exchanges have plummeted by over 60% since new tax regulations around the sector came into force from this month. Cryptocurrency exchanges WazirX and CoinDCX recorded volumes of just over $27 million in the past 24 hours. For WazirX, this is a steep haircut from average daily trading volumes of above $90 million before the new regulations took effect. Volumes on ZepPay, among the country's oldest exchanges, range around $12 million. India slapped a 30% tax on profits from crypto transactions on April 1 and said it won't allow offsetting gains with losses from other crypto transactions. Kalyan Krishnamurthy, CEO of e-commerce major Flipkart, while announcing the opening of its internal logistic arm eCart to other e-commerce players like Amazon at company town hall on Wednesday, also said Flipkart is in the early stages of building its own non-fungible token-related businesses. According to sources, Flipkart is looking to focus on the localization factor for NFTs. Since NFT sales in India have been low, the company is likely to double down on creating awareness, providing utility-driven NFTs and possibly linking them with physical products. The plans may still change, but currently Flipkart is thinking of using its flagship sale event later in the year to unveil NFT-related products. Flipkart was last valued at $37.6 billion in July 2021 after raising $3.6 billion in a round led by Canada Pension Plan Investment Board and others. Vlad Tenev, co-founder of the Robinhood trading app, announced on Tuesday that the company is letting go of 9% of its full-time employees. The company's share price fell shortly afterward to just $10, just 12 cents above its all-time low as a public company. According to the co-founder blog post, Robinhood experienced a period of hyper-growth from 2019 to 2021. Net funded accounts grew from 5 million to 22 million and revenue from $278 million to $1.8 billion. However, this resulted in the company multiplying its headcount from 700 to 3,800 employees, leading to many duplicate roles and job functions. This has apparently led to added complexity and reduced efficiency at the company, leading to its decision to downsize. Meta Platforms, formerly Facebook, posted a first quarter loss of $2.96 billion in its recently created Facebook Reality Labs division, which consists of augmented and virtual reality operations. The Facebook Reality division generated revenue of $695 million in the first quarter compared to over $680 million revenue expectation of analysts. Meta Platforms overall generated $27.2 billion in the quarter from Meta's family of apps, which include Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Meta also outperformed users' growth expectations from the quarter. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg told analysts over a call that the web version of the company's Horizon World's Metaverse platform is slated for release this year, to be followed by its augmented and virtual reality versions. Grayscale Investments, world's largest crypto fund manager, is planning to expand its product offerings into Europe to tap into growing institutional demand for cryptocurrencies in the region. According to CEO Michael Sonnenshen, the company hasn't made any definitive plans regarding which exchanges and countries would be supported initially, though Grayscale plans to launch pilot tests in several markets across the European Union. Sonnenshen added that Grayscale would be looking at investor behaviors and local regulations in determining its product rollout. Grayscale is by far the world's largest crypto fund manager, with over $35.7 billion in assets under management as of Monday. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which trades under the ticker symbol GBTC, has amassed nearly $35.8 billion in assets. Michael Shu, acting chief of the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, said the companies issuing stablecoins should work out one technical standard similar to the common web practice created in the early days of the internet. Shu said in a written statement that stablecoins lacked shared standards, were interoperable, and needed standards similar to those set by the Internet Engineering Task Force and World Wide Web Consortium. According to the OCC head, representatives from the crypto industry as well as within the US government, including the OCC and National Institute of Standards and Technology, could work towards such goals. The head of the OCC is also a member of the Financial Stability Oversight Council, which has been studying whether to treat stablecoins as a potential risk to the wider US financial system. Cryptocurrencies perked up Thursday, tracking higher to flat close to US stocks, while Bitcoin climbed above $39,000. Overall, choppy trading across cryptos and stocks indicated uncertainty among traders, especially a macroeconomic and geopolitical risk weighed on risk appetite. Some economists expected the US to slip into a recession by 2023, driven by tighter monetary policy and rising inflation. Sentiment among traders remained neutral to bearish. Analysts saw signs of buyer demand around $38,000 in Bitcoin. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at $39,400, up over 3% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded near $2,900, up over 2% in a similar time period. All other major altcoins too traded higher. Goldman Sachs said it is exploring tokenization of real assets in the form of non-fungible tokens as part of its plan to delve deeper into the crypto space. Matthew McDermott, global head of digital asset at Goldman Sachs, told a gathering that the investment bank was exploring NFTs in the context of financial instruments. Goldman has already dived into crypto by offering Bitcoin derivatives to investors in 2021 and conducted its first over-the-counter crypto trade with the digital asset financial company Galaxy Digital in March this year. That's all in the bulletin for now. Keep watching Crypto TV.